All right. That's a wrap. We're going to end it here. Thank you for hanging out with me in these 3 videos. I know they're short. Again, I hope they're sweet. I am going to start having a more consistent rhythm to the podcast and start contributing a lot more of the blog posts that are out there. And I really do hope that you can come to listen a little bit to me and I just want to spark curiosity. That's really all I want to do. Spark curiosity to have you think, oh, that actually might be something that my family might be interested in. And then you go off and you go and do your exploring. However, you love to research. Maybe it's AI, maybe it's just flat out Google, maybe it's listening to other podcasts. I do plan to have a whole other section of the podcast that I love to listen to and give everybody else some exposure. So, I really just want you to think of me as your online friend who is a mom, who doesn't have everything together, who is very messily figuring things out on the wealth journey. And I am confident whatever I'm doing now is going to look very different in 10 years, in 20 years going forward. And I'm here for it. I love to evolve and you'll be in the front row watching that as we both do that together. All right, I hope you are well. I hope your families are well. Happy learning. Go be curious. And I will see you another time.